In this election, we each face a question. What kind of country do we want to live in?
How's the sound coming through? Can anybody hear me? I won't be doing any trading right now. I'm just watching the carnage take place. Just look at this, all red everywhere, except for the bonds, the TLT. I mean, even gold and silver is taking a dive. And I have mentioned this. If you have not watched the video I have posted yesterday on Sunday, titled, let me just quickly here. It's called Turbulent Financial Markets Heading South. Um, it's the weekly review video I do every Sunday. I post. I usually do them on Saturday and post on Sunday morning. If you have not seen any of them, I highly recommend you do. Spend 15-20 minutes. This past video on Sunday, it was a 40-minute video. I went through in great detail what has happened the last 2 weeks or so and what's going to happen this week. I mean, this is not financial advice. I don't want to tell you what to do, how to do it. Just providing you the information, and you make the decisions what you want to do. It's all up to you. But I mean, I'm very, very accurate with these things. Between 70 and 100% accuracy. That's how accurate it is. I'm going to start posting these videos probably next month for members only. So I'm going to start charging a membership. I have memberships right now on my channel, but they just created them at the beginning of this channel, and I just wasn't sure what I wanted. So if you're interested, just hit me up in the comments or email. Go to the the description of the channel, and there's an email. So just email me that you're interested, and then once once I get the memberships all in place and reorganize them and price them the right way, and what I want to include in those, I will let you know. But I mean, I had several people tell me this. I should be charging for this. I It just doesn't make sense to me. But I mean, it makes sense and it doesn't make sense. I mean, I'm just trying to make money off of you guys. Just I don't know. So we'll see. But that's what I'm looking to do. I'll probably be posting next 3 weeks or so, maybe 4, and then the following month we'll give it a go in the membership side of it. So if you're interested, actually, the current memberships, there's like 3 levels. So if you join right now at the 3rd level, that's what I'm looking at. I'm just gonna probably have just 1 level. I'm gonna reorganize this thing, just have 1 level just for stuff like this, and just for people that are really serious, who take this seriously, not just play around. And let's do it together. But let me know what you guys think. What you guys would like to see more of. Another thing I will probably be discussing in the membership arena, let's just say, strategies. Strategies are very important. What I called for, what is happening right now in the financial markets, is technical analysis and strategy, and it's very powerful. In these review videos, I do not talk about the strategies because these strategies are they're very valuable. There's no you can't really put a price tag on it. Okay, so because depends, it all depends how much you're gonna invest in the strategy. Whether you're gonna buy or sell one contract or 10 or 20 or 30 or 100 contracts. That's up to you, right? So there's no really a price tag on it, but it's very valuable. The strategies are they're very valuable. That's all I would really want to say. I mean, but like I said, if you guys have questions, concerns, what you want to see, we can talk about this. But I'm not into giving away free stuff, teaching people for free. Nobody taught me anything for free. And I'm not trying to sell a course or anything like that. I'm not a course guy. I don't sell any courses. I've never have and probably never will. Maybe 10 years or so when I'm, I don't know, but I'm not a course guy. Those people that sell courses, they can't trade, so they sell courses, okay? That's the bottom line. I don't sell courses. I don't sell anything. The members area, the members videos, the live chat, the member live chats are going to be, there's going to be a small fee for the membership. It's a membership. That's not a course. So that's what I'm looking into. But I want some feedback and comments. What you guys are interested in. I mean, I called for all this. I mean, if you watch this Sunday's video, I said we are going right to the 200. And I made this video on Saturday. This is before the market opened on Sunday afternoon. I posted the video at 8 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. And this is not just one prediction, let's just call it. I've been making these videos, weekly videos, for probably since the beginning, close to almost a year. This channel's been, I started this, when was it? Late October or something like that. Like, just call it November 1st. Okay, it's not even a year. The growth's been astronomical. But I think most people, they just want the views are not really like they're supposed to be or they should be. People want and be entertained on YouTube and in real life. If you want to be serious about this, let's do this. Um, so that's what I'm looking to do. There's probably not going to be a lot of people signing up for the memberships, which is good because I don't want, a big classes or whatever, a nice tight knit group of people focused, concentrating on making money in the markets. I mean, I'm willing to listen. I'm new at this, so the whole YouTube thing. So that's what I'm thinking of doing. I mean, I said Bitcoin. This is a weekly chart. I called for Bitcoin to drop. This is the to drop to the 50-day moving average. I mean, look at this. I mean, pinpoint accuracy. And this happened in one day. I made the video on Saturday afternoon. I uploaded it on Sunday morning. This is way before the markets opened up. So this is not uh, Monday night quarterbacking, okay? I mean, look at it. I mean, just I called for the bonds. This is the bonds, okay? The TLT. I called for the bonds to go up, to go higher. Reverse head and shoulders. We're going higher. Gold and silver, I said we're going probably to the $27 area, the 200 day moving average. And look what happened. I mean, I said crude oil also is going lower. So we're seeing a bounce back because of this recent here support level, 71 and change, okay? 71.10, 71. So, but we took out this green bar just completely. So, I mean, look at the Nikkei, Japan. I mean, it was just insane. Almost right to the 200-day moving average on a weekly chart. It's just collapsing. There's just no way we're going back up to the new highs. Just probabilities are not in the favor to go and produce new highs. I want to see what Nvidia's doing. So Nvidia opened up lower and just came back up. But it's down 7%. It was down probably like, I don't know, 20? I mean, it's just a bloodbath. I mean, everything you see is just red. The bonds are up. I mean, all the cryptos are just red. It's a bloodbath. Blood in the streets, right? The VIX is just, look at this. I mean, VIX just, I mean, produced a topping tail here and then it just went crazy. It hasn't reached all-time high of 85 or so. What is the all-time high? Let me see here. No, 96 or so. Almost 100%. That was what? When? In '08. Are we gonna see that? It's possible. Nobody knows. Let's see what the dollar's doing. I said the dollar's going lower, and it's coming down lower. So I'm not going to be trading, like I said. I just wanted to watch the action of the closing of the market, the last hour or so, 45 minutes. Um, let's see how we end this day. I'm actually surprised that we had a huge run up like this. I mean, we went up from the gap. This is on a 15-minute chart. I mean, like 75, 80% from the lows. I mean, it's so. Where are we going to end up in the next 13 minutes? Of course, the futures are going to trade for another hour after that until 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 5 o'clock Eastern. The futures close at um, 5 p.m. Eastern Time, New York time. So I probably won't be trading minis in these market conditions, because if you look at these charts, okay, these bars, I mean, on average, I mean, these bars are at least 30 points or so. On a 5-minute chart, they're like 50 points. So your brackets would have to be, stop loss would have to be 50 points at least, if not 100 points. I mean, the moves are, and of course, and then you adjust the stop loss once it moves in your desired direction. So, but minimum is 50 points brackets. A stop loss is 50 points. So on one mini contract, 50 points is $1,000. So you have to be willing to lose $1,000. You know, let's just say, to gain 1,000 to, for a 1-to-1 ratio, but or more. Um, so here we go. 10 minutes before the close. Usually, it's volatile. Problem is, here's the two problems. I think, well, not the problems, but I think we're gonna go higher. I was on a 5-minute chart. We're sitting above the 200-day moving average. And on the 2-minute chart, the 200 is rising. So it looks like we're going higher now. Or we can just touch the 200 and come right down and just break right through the 200 on the 5-minute chart. But this move higher was very strong. So now we had a retracement about 33% or so to the 200. And now we're either going to chop around now until we close for the next 8 minutes. Then perhaps right after that, might go lower. But when you look at the chart, this 5-minute chart, there's the bars are there. I think there's more green bars than red bars, and the green bars are bigger than the red bars. So that kind of tells you that the bulls are in control, at least from the New York Open time. Overnight, the bears were in full control. So we had our first crack at the 50-day moving average on NASDAQ. So of course we had the retracement because the support level here. That's what I called for as well on Sunday. Go watch the Sunday's video. I mean, this happened, and I said, if this happens, the thing is, if this happens and we go down all the way down here, and we close, if we're going to close, of course, at this level. But if we did close, there's more likely be a follow through or small pullback and then come down. But I called for exactly this move. Five minutes till close. And 4 minutes will be in 2 seconds. Everybody was excited. All these Bitcoiners, holders, whatever you want to call them, that they'll never sell the Bitcoin. They were calling for all-time highs. I mean, because of this, right? Most of these guys don't know what the hell they're doing. They're just watching. They're asking other people, what should I do? What should I do? The sheep follow other sheep, right? So imagine people actually got in at 70,000 on this bar or so. Let's just call it, okay, 70,000, 78,000, 68, 70,000. So now it comes down 20,000. Comes out 30%. What do you do? Do you bail out? Because your fellow guru or fake guru, Furo, told you to get in? And I think there's more downside. This kind of, when you look at it, reminds me of this right here, right? So we might see the same thing. I don't know. Anyways, that's it for this live stream. I will be live streaming tomorrow, Tuesday morning, New York Open, about 6:20 in the morning, Pacific Standard Time. See you tomorrow. Take care.